Thanks God it's Friday. So for today's lunch is with Atsaw na Ganas, or we call this leafy salad. Char, leafy salad. Anyway, this is sweet potato leaves, and the first thing you need to do is to hawan the ganas, kaya ito na siyang lapuan og boiled water later. And this kind of salad is very healthy. Samot naman sa nga juice ra og dugo. Di balos pad og simod, tigtanag kay drama, tigdugay katulog. So this kind of salad is perfect for you. Diba? And these are the panakot. As always, as usual, the onion and the ginger. And kinahanglan mo siyang dukdukon para humot ang atong ginger. And I like spicy, so I always add chili in my menu. And don't forget the vinegar. That's it. This is Miss Cynthia. Okay, as I mentioned before that all of the ingredients are fresh from the backyard. So let me show you our backyards. Charat, our slash Silingan backyards. So for today's menu, I'm going to cook a sinigang na baboy for lunch. And these are the ingredients. Of course, the pork. And we need to cut the pork into cube or sa ganahan mong style. Diba? So right after that, imo siyang asinan para na siya lasa. Diba? And ayan, next is we have the kangkong. And some of you call this tangkong, but I call this kangkong, not king kong. And we have the pichay, okra, spring onions, and green chili because I love spicy because I'm hot, and garlic and onion. And I'm sure that all of you know this recipe, right? This is so very easy, and that's how I prepare it. Thank you for watching. This is Miss Cynthia. Okay, proudly to represent our neighbor's backyard. Char, lahira. Anyways, ako ang lula gini siya mo ng kalamara kay kung gaibot-ibot og batong dirang dapitan no kay og literal pa ni nga silingan wa na. Hagbayar ang bugno say, diba? And we're going to make this adobong batong, and the first thing we need to do is to cut the batong. Then if medyo kulubot ang batong, tigulang na, suliso na lang nato atong iyang tigumon para maapil na to siya gluto para di masayang. And kailangan itong paspasan na itong lihok yun, kaya nga naman, if you don't know, doing this thing yun, ang mga customer dito sa balay ng lingkod sa lamisa o pa magluto say, diba? So hurry up, charot. Diba? And I know you're all familiar with this recipe. Muna nga, this is very easy lang. This is Miss Cynthia. Okay, today's meal is with Atsaw na tang, or we call this eggplant salad. Rar! Lahira dyan nog English kay mulay siya ta ditong dapida. But anyway, the first thing we need to do is sugbahon na to ang taong. But usually gyud ako gini siyang lutuon sa boiled water. But today ako siyang gisugba kay masumot siya og resulta compare sa lutuon lang. And kailangan na to siyang pakpakan. Charot lang. Kaya gisugba man siya, so kailangan siyang pakpakan. But if ako siyang giluto lang, ang dilisuran ako siya slice of panakot na dayon. And this our panakot lang. Kay syempre, pinubre raman ni, diba? So as usual, onion, kamatis, luya. And I add some paminta and chili because I like spicy, diba? Very much as in. That's it. Hi! Itadakimasu! This is Miss Cynthia. Ohayo gozaimashita. Today is Monday and I'm going to cook Ampalaya for breakfast. And perfect yan siya sa mga juice kung digo. Supang pay juice. Charot! And the first thing we need to do is to cut the Ampalaya nga pinanipis para sayon lang siya kumuton later. Anyway guys, puti na di among tagtaran. Char! Tagda pod, labi na pod. Gidsunro ka na nako ni Jazay. Pero digid malikayan nga mamansya siya or buling siya tanawon. Kaya it's because kitang mga kugihan, everyday mo kita magluto. Diba? So kung puti mo tagtaran, so alam mo na. Char! Diba? And this recipe is very easy. Parang nagluluto ka lang ng scrambled egg with ampalaya. Pero baliktad, dapat ampalaya with egg. Ganarn. Diba? So, and I always add paminta and chili in my menu. Kaya syempre, kitang mga hot gyud, kailangan dyan siyang parisag spicy. Para perfect combo. That's it. This is Miss Cynthia.